how to show your WordPress posts in a list with Elementor. So if you log in into your dashboard, we're going to go and create a page that we're going to call it blog here and edit with Elementor. So here you can either create a section here. Let's create a section. And if you don't want to have this here blog appearing, you can go to the settings down here and we can hide the title and we can put a title of our own. So that's, I'm going to add some padding. I'm gonna try and make it pretty. 100 on top and 100 in the bottom. And we're gonna write like welcome to my blog and maybe center here. Yes. And now let's create another section here and we're gonna go to the widgets, all the elements, and I'm gonna search for posts and I'm gonna use this one, post, and I'm gonna just drag it here. And here you have now, it's like a grid or like columns that show your latest blog post. It doesn't look very nice because my default, my global heading are kind of large, big, but we can fix that. So we're gonna go here, we go to content and we go to typography, and I'm not going to use primary, but I'm going to use something that I call blog titles. You see here, it's smaller. And well, here you can select if you want to have one column, which is going to show like just a list with your blog post. But let's fix that. The image size, let's make it a bit better, large, so that it's better quality, or just go full. It depends on what quality is your own picture, and you can have it like that. But here you can select yourself if you want 2 columns or if you want 3 columns. And here you see, if you click on the desktop icon and you go to tablet, or if you go to mobile, you can decide how you want it to appear on the different devices. I would say for mobile, keep it like that in 1 column, but the tablet, it can be 2 and desktop 3 maybe. Why not? Sure. Now this one here, oh sorry, it's very sensitive. Yeah, the meta, here you can set the image width if you want it. You can select, leave it as it is, the standard, it's fine. Image position top or left or right, or I'm just keeping it top. Since I have 3 columns here, it looks better. And here you can, on the metadata, you can select if you want to have the date or the comment or anything else, or time, which I don't know if someone, maybe for news outlet, I don't know. Oh no, I don't want the time. The comments maybe, if you have comments, you can have comments. Read more text, here you can adjust it, you can write whatever you want. You see, well, let's leave it to read more. And here on the query, you can include the categories. If you have different categories, you see what I did? I clicked on term, and here let's say this is a recipe example website. So if I write gluten, it's going to show me the categories that are under gluten-free recipes. So if I want to show only the gluten-free recipes, that's what I do. But if you don't want, if you just want to include everything, just take it away, just leave it, don't do anything, and it will take automatically all of your blog posts. But if you want to categorize them, if you want to separate them, that's how you do it. Now on the style here, the columns gap, you see it affects this one, but what was it? Was it 40? I'm gonna keep it to 40. Rows gap, similarly, you will see it creates a gap between the rows. Was it 35? You can adjust it however you like. On the box here, I don't know if you want to do any padding. Box shadow, let's see, border width, let's see. You see it created a border on top because I put only on top, but if I click on the chain here, it goes to everything and it creates a border on the entire box. And here we have padding. I don't know if you want some extra padding. I mean, you can do it if you want to. I choose to leave everything here empty. I don't mess with it unless you have a specific design that you want to follow. So that's fine, it's up to you. So here I'm just going to delete anything. Box shadow, if you want shadow around it, maybe. Back to default. Here you can set the background color, maybe not red, but you know, you get the idea. And that's it. And here's some options for the image. This might be something cool. If you put the radius, you see how the corners, they become softer or rounder. If I put 10 so you can see it, or maybe if I put some 50, you see what I mean, right? I will leave it to nothing. Do we want a hover? Maybe if you want like a CSS filter or something, some effect, if you want it when it hovers or not, you know, you see. Or here becomes darker or something else. And then here we have the content. Here's where you can adjust or edit the titles and the font and the size and the color. So maybe not green. I will put the primary. Well, my primary colors are blue and green just to show you how they work. Typography, blog titles, yes, or you can even go here and adjust it yourself if you want, you know, manually. So that's how you do it. The meta is kind of big. The color, let's put the text, and maybe not secondary. Let's make it kind of small. This is, oh my god, that is huge. Sorry, no, that is not what I wanted. Here it is. I'm gonna put that. Or I had the other thing, the accent, which is similar to the read more. Well, yeah, something like that. And here also you see you have spacing, so you can put some space between each element or its title. Here as well. Here the except the color, it can be dark. Typography, here it is on text. And similarly read more color, maybe not that. Let's put green, yeah, or you know, something different, something that is closer to your own colors. And typography, we have the accent, and yeah, and that's it. Publish. Let's have a look. Blog, and now this is my blog page. You see here, it's the blog. I haven't added it on the menu here, but I will do it. So welcome to my blog, and there you have a blog page made with Elementor. Oh, very important, yes. If you want to continue reading more, you know, maybe you have more blog posts, then you go back here, content, and you go to pagination, because here on top of the layout, we say post per page 6. You can give how many you want. Pagination here, pagination not name, we want numbers. Let's give it numbers. So there you are, you have a number. So if we update, and we can just go here and refresh. I need to fix a footer, but birds, the cache, yeah, now we have the second page, and so on. So that's it. That's very easy. So thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Good luck in building your own page showing your blog posts, and thank you for watching, and see you next time.